लैंडिंग
कोई आके इसको निकालो।
Too much or what? It's fine, fine, no? Sorry. Just a second. What is not? What is not supposed to be done? ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Get the model here, no? ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ತಂದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. While Vinod is flying, we'll get the figure.
Banking in, it's coming in towards you from the right. Going for a loop. Nice big loop.
No.
In the middle, it's for the another person. These two, up and down, it's not bad.
Nice big loop. Half loop. Half loop getting to inverted. The plane is inverted, ladies and gentlemen. Coming in low. So. Nice takeoff. Getting into inverted. The plane is inverted, ladies and gentlemen. Plane is coming to you from the left to the right. Inverted and low. A big loop. Aditya, let it warm up, please. Nice upright, high-speed pass for you, gentlemen, from the left. It's again inverted for you.
On the back.
Raghavendra, keep it away from the crowd, please.
Children, have a look at that SPAD model designed by AMA model, he says, and Vinod has designed and constructed it out of coroplast. It's a very easily available material, it's reasonably cheap, and you can build one yourself. All you gotta do is take the design from the internet or probably borrow one. That's a beautiful scale trainer, kind of a stable flyer. Okay. This is, as I'm told, is available as a kit with Mr. Menon from Aerosports here in Thrissur. So anybody interested in going into this can take a kit from Mr. Menon, and you'll have a joy of building it or flying it. And he'll guide you also how to make it and how to make it fly, and give you a training on flying it. Yeah, we see a full-size helicopter in front of us.
Kanna helicopter that is going to land in Lulu. Ivadate vice principal de maganana helicopter flying. ഇന്ന് ഈ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഫ്ലൈറ്റ് അടുത്തുനിന്ന് വന്ന് കാണാമെന്ന് വാക്ക് തന്നിട്ടാണ് അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ശോഭ സിറ്റിയുടെ മീതെ കൂടെ ഫ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, so you can see it there. He is retired from the Air Force. He's a group captain. He purposely flew that low.
In front of you. Now he's going to perform a hammerhead on the right. Now you will see the plane coming inverted and low from your left. The plane is inverted, diving right in. There you see the plane inverted and low, getting out and become upright. Now you can see a high-speed pan by. Excellent, Mr. Raghavendra. Now he will attempt a landing. Please move back. Here's the Raptor taking off. You need to be really skilled to fly something like this. Raghavendra will get the plane to a hover right in front of you. Raghavendra, can we have the plane hover just in front of you, please? Here you see the nose facing you, performing a hover. Now it's starting to climb vertically.
Flying inverted. Roll out. Low pass inverted. The young boy has got amazing control on this little aircraft. Many of our senior guys really envy his capability. One of the chaps is saying, yeah, after watching him, let us retire. Great aircraft control, positioning, throttle control, throttle coordination with the maneuvers. He's got it all. He's got the combination. Wild flat rollout. There you are. And a roll. Okay, he's called out landing, flare out a bit, reduce the engine power, come in flat, and straight for the landing. He's pretty good at landing, the right kind of speed, and he has a good touchdown, almost 3-point touchdown. Give him a hand. Good. Yeah. Weighing about 4 pounds, that's 2 kilos. And you can fly as high as about 300 feet and take pictures. A lot of people, this is one of the opportunities people are taking to make it a profession. A lot of guys, a lot of aero modelers have done aerial photographers. They take up a thing like this or a helicopter, put a nice camera on it, and they take aerial photographs. Architecture, landscape, and what have you, whatever anybody demands. And it's a great opportunity and a great business opportunity opening up for young people who are now learning to fly model aircraft, helicopters, quadcopters. So it's not just a hobby. It can lead you to become a UAV pilot. It can lead you to become a professional in aerial photography.